Hey there YouTube friends, today I'm going to show you how I changed the oil on my 2002 Dodge Caravan if you've never done it. I've had the van 19 years, I bought it in 2006, and if you take care of your vehicle it'll take care of you and last a long time. I have it up on the ramps, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the oil cap off to help the oil flow out a little easier. And now I'll crawl under there and show you how I do it. Okay, this is my oil pan. I'm just going to undo the drain plug and open the vent. That'll help the oil flow a little easier. And you could get these anywhere. These ramps I have for about 19 years. So for the initial investment, you'll have them for a lifetime, and you could always do the job yourself, make sure it's done right. All right, there's the oil filter. It's in front of the oil pan. And now I have my drain container pushed a little past the drain plug, which is right over here. Okay, now using a 5/8 inch socket, I'm just gonna loosen it. And now we'll just let the oil out. You can see I'm using latex gloves to keep my hands clean. And we'll just let all this oil drain out. Okay, now that the oil is all drained out, put the oil plug back. We'll hand tighten it, and then I get the socket wrench and just tighten it up. You don't have to make it super tight. That's good enough, just like that. Now I'll just scooch the drain container up a little bit so it's under the oil filter. And we'll just slowly unscrew the oil filter. We won't let it drop. You'll see all the oil starting to come out in a second. And we'll just let all that drain. Now if you let it drop and it falls into the drain container, you'll get oil all over the place. Alright, so there's the new filter. It's a Fram PH16. And I'm using Quaker State 5W30. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour a little bit of oil into the filter. And with my finger, I'm going to dip it in the oil and just go around the rim like that. Okay, now we'll screw on the new oil filter. And you can see it just touched. And now I'm just going to go just about 3/4 turn. You don't need to make these super tight. Okay, now we'll add the oil. Okay, now I'm going to add 4.5 quarts of oil. If you don't know how much oil your vehicle takes, you can consult your owner's manual. Now I'll just put the cap back on, and I'm all done. Well, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time. See you.